मेरे ब्लॉग में आप हेलो गाइस। मेरे ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। आज की इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस शुरू करते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड इमोशनल टॉपिक, डॉग केयर। dogs are dogs are not just animal. Dogs are a best friend. They are royal, loving, and always ready to protect us. A dog not a care whatever you are rich or poor. If you give love to a dog, it will give you a unconfident unconfidential love in a return. Today I walk talk about why dogs are special, why we should care for them, how we can take care to pet dog, how to help stressed dog. Anyway, kindness towards animals in importance. Let's start. So so why why dogs are special? Dogs are called men's best friends. They are a very loyal animal. Once a dog loves you, it loves you forever. A dog can protect your home, help police check cheat criminal, help blind people walk safely, save people and drinking distress. Dogs have a strong sense. They can small dangers. They can feel emotional. If are sad, your dog understand your feelings. That is the way our dogs are very special. Forms, dog breeds. There are many types of dogs in the world. Some are small, some are big, some are very active, and some are calm. Lab- Labras, Labros are friendly and intelligent. They are a good family dog and very loving. Greyman. Greymen are separate are strong. Separate and separate are strong and brave. Police and army use them. Security work. Indian stressed Indian is Indian street dog are very smart and strong. They can so, sorry in different whatever condition. Every dog is special, no matter the brand. Yeah, breed. Breed. How to take care of the pet? If you have a pet, dog is a very responsible to take proper care of it. Here are some important things. People, proper food. Give your dog healthy food. Do you not give a much spicy to junk food. Always give a clean water, clean environment. Keep your dog a sleeping place clean. Bath your dog a regular exercise. Dog need a daily walk. If they do not exercise, they because unhealthy. Vitamins is a very important. It protect dog from a dangerous dangerous disorders. Love and attention. Dog need love. Do not cheat them all day. Spend time with them. How to help stress dog? Not every has a pet, but we can still help stressed dog. You can give biscuit, food. You can clean water, and some are protect, provide salad, drink hot, dry. Call animal helpline in they are injured. Helping to stress dog does not require a lot of money. Even 10 to 20 rupees of biscuit can make them happy. Kindness is the more important than a money. Why we should not hurt to dog? Some people they are straight at a dog. Some people bat them. This is a very wrong. Dog feel pain, dog feel fever, dog feel a love. If we want a request from others, we must give a respect if to animals too. Remember the way we trained animal, so where our character. So emotional bond between human and dog. Many people say a dog is just an animal, but for many families, our dog is a family member. When you come home tired, your dog waits at the door. When you are sad, your dog is sits never you. When you cry, your dog is icks you hand. This is pure love. Dog teach us loyalty, protection, kindness, and forgiveness. Message for everyone. Today I want to say, think if you cannot adopted a dog, let at least do not harms them. If you cannot feed them daily, feed them sometimes. If you can't save all animals, save at a last one. A small action carrying big change. Be kind, be request, be human. Conclusion. So guys, today I learning that a dog are not just animal. They are a protection, friends, are a family member. Think care of a dog is not a brand. It is a blessing. Let us promise today we will love animal. We will protect them. We will care to them, because of word thing kindness is beautiful. Thank you so much everyone for listening to my speech pathology. And guys, one more thing, you are watching my video but you are not liking and subscribe. If you are really supported animal care and want more motivational and helpful video like this, please like this video, share in with your friend, and subscribe my channel. You one like can motivation me. You one subscribe can motivation this message of kindness. Thank you so much. Have a great day. सो गाइस, अगर आपको मेरी स्पीच में कहीं भी गलती लगी होंगी तो मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा। हो सकता है मेरी स्पीच एकदम परफेक्ट ना हो, पर मैं परफेक्ट बनने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगी। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। और हो सकता है कि मेरा चेहरा पूरा नहीं आया होगा, क्योंकि गाइस मैंने अपना मोबाइल हाथ में पकड़ी हूँ, सो उसके कारण एकदम क्लीन या चीज़ें क्लीन नहीं आती। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।